The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boyd, Carter, Greenup, and Lawrence counties in Kentucky, Cabell and Wayne counties in West Virginia, and Lawrence County in Ohio until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Webbville, or 6 miles west of Yatesville Lake State Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Cannonsburg, Ashland, Yatesville Lake State Park, Huntington, and Chesapeake. The storm will be near Garner and 6 miles southeast of Rush by 4:55, Durbin and 6 miles northwest of Burnaugh by 5 o'clock, Cannonsburg by 5:05, Cadlettsburg by 5:10, and Kenova, Cerrado, and Ashland by 5:15. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter now. Avoid windows. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Friday evening for Central Virginia.